Hello, this is Francisco Cribari. I just want to comment on a couple of things that happened recently. The first one is that I did Clean Arch install on this laptop, which is a Samsung laptop. This is currently my backup laptop, and I installed Arch Linux plus KDE Plasma plus System Boot, and I made very few tweaks after installing Arch Linux. One of them was enabling uh, echo cancellation in Pulse Audio. Pulse, uh, it's default, and I enabled echo cancellation. You see, following the Arch Wiki, and then I did a couple of other tweaks. But except for that, this is a basic Arch install. I did not even change the default wallpaper, and everything seems to be working just fine. And Arch Linux is a truly amazing Arch distribution, and it's not that hard to install Arch Linux. You just need to follow the Arch Wiki and follow each step, and that's basically it. And the nice thing is that in the process of installing Arch, you can make your own decisions along the way. The second thing that I wanted to comment is that I'm now using a VPN for security reasons. Let me show you. I decided to go with AirVPN, and you'll see here that it's activated here. AirVPN, they have Brazil, UK, US, America, and so on. And then I can use it from here, and I can also use the client VPN, which is available in the Arch user repository here, AirVPN -bin. And let me show you how that works. Let me disconnect here, and let me start AirVPN. I think the name is Eddie. Yes, Eddie. And it's very nice that they have a client for Linux, and it's available in the Arch user repository, so it's very easy to use that under Arch Linux. You just need to install it with, in my case, it was YAY-S, and that was Air VPN -bin. And so those are the two recent events that happened to me in the last week or so. I did a clean install of Arch Linux, and I decided to start using a VPN for security reasons. I'm also taking a look at a secure email provider, which is Proton Mail. I'm experimenting with their free account before going for a paid plan. So if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.